Alright, there were some questions about what this display shows in rain mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to activate the rain mode. So first I'll turn on the ignition. Let's put it back in neutral. There. Okay, to activate rain mode, I will hit the traction control button. So there, you see it says rain. It'll be in that mode. Even when I start the engine, it'll stay in that rain mode. So I'm going to start the engine. Yeah, it's still in rain mode. Now I can switch and see other displays, but as soon as I let go, it'll come back to that rain mode. So it's on clock. After a few seconds, it returns back to rain mode. Okay.